So good evening and good morning to everybody watching on the live stream. We're on our third episode of the Adobo Connection. Nancy, kamusta?
Awesome! It's awesome here because we're in the awesome planet.
So my name is Anton Diaz,
Awesome, huh?
founder of our awesome planet together with the Nancy Reyes Lumen. So we have a very special guest and we're talking about vinegars, no? Bakit vinegar, Nancy?
Siyempre, vinegar is the main, kumbaga puso, ito yung dugo na that runs in the profile of adobo. Basically, that's in Filipino adobo, and that's the reason being there is of vinegars in our country because we are all over coasted with coconuts. So
So, question, yung vinegar ba na for adobo kahit anong vinegar or meron bang specific kailangan coconut vinegar or a certain type of vinegars o wala naman? So it gives a different flavor profile.
In fact, it doesn't even have to be vinegar. Sometimes it can be other pang-asim. Pero syempre, yung pinaka-main is is vinegar. And besides, before we start with just the cooking, this is a book that tells us 1001 uses of vinegar, even for the skin, for the hair, for everything. So vinegar is really a God-given resource by, His creation. That's why we should be very thankful. Pero ang daming klaseng vinegar. Ito, rice vinegar.
Rice vinegar.
Ito yung aking hindi ko pamimigay na vinegar dito.
Yan, sarap na.
Gawa ni the pinili pickled. Ito medyo pang general use na yan. Kahit panlinis, ginagamit.
So is vinegar, very Filipino ba? In the US, are there a lot of vinegars? Or wala, no? Parang Asian culture ba yan? Or
there
Filipino?
are, but it's basically more of gourmet, and in general, it would be the most popular with the apple cider, which is also used in the US Texas barbecue. Pero may pag-uusapan din tayo ngayong we want to support, di ba you want to support local products and season grow.
So sino ba yung guest natin ngayon, Nancy?
This guy, he's For me, I thought he was young. Ano na pala siya, 40 na pala siya. Kaya rin pala kayo. But what I noticed with him is he's very passionate. And makikita mo naman with the way he's trying to promote the product na titikman din natin ngayon, di ba, Anton? Imagine, pinadalahan pa niya ako dito sa Houston.
Wow, talaga?
Yeah. So, you can see that even if sometimes kids or young entrepreneurs, they start at 20 and they become billionaires at 40 and they lose the passion. But this one, maganda yung at a certain age, you grow with your product until makita mo na and you don't want to give it up. Yung iba kasi, they want it to succeed and then they'll cash out. Wala yung pagmamahal. So now, this one is Gerard Rejano. His family is with the Mamacita clan, and also the father is the Rejano, Bert Rejano of Marinduque, a very well-respected family there, and they were first known for the Rejanos Bakery. Yung, alam mo yung arrowroot? Yung pag kinain mo, tas pumito ka.
Masarap yun.
Kaya mo bang pumito pag kumain ka nun?
Hindi ako marunong pumito. Okay.
So he's a Lasalite like you, and he was. I think he'll tell us better his own story because he said he was just starting na. He said, parang ang corporate world ang life sa kanya hindi masyadong nag-appeal. So he's touching the ground and he's farming and he's producing this kind of vinegar. Let's call on Gerard.
All right, Gerard. Welcome.
Good morning, Sir Anton. Miss Nancy, good afternoon. Good evening in Houston and everywhere. Lahat ng nakikinig po at nanonood sa buong mundo.
Mabuti hindi ka naman mukasim. Di ba yung...
Di naman. It's good.
Okay. Anyway, you were saying na you started corporate pero nag-shift ka.
Yes. Yes, I did. Kumbaga, ay parang yung kumbaga to sa ayoko na there was a little kulang yung fulfillment na nakikita ko yung and yung reach nung influence dun sa dati kong work so we were thinking na ano kaya kung mag-farming kami and so on, and luckily si Erpat po may mga naipundar na lupa dito sa Marinduque besides sa mga namana niya sa kanyang magulang, meron siya mga sarili na bili, and unang-una kinokopra lang namin or pinapakopra niya sa farmer yung yung proceeds nung kopra. So ang hatian doon 50-50. Ngayon, nung around 2014, 2015, talagang nagkaroon ako ng interest kasi kumbaga passive income siya on his end. And right now, nung dumanda para pausbong yung
11 o'clock.
Pausbong yung coconut industry, ang dami nagpo-produce ng VCO, coconut flour, desiccated. So nag-research kami or ako on my own kung paano namin magagaya or ma-attain yung ganung klaseng estado. And ayun, nagsimula kami sa experiments and ka-experiment namin, it started during the pandemic.
Yeah, many businesses started in the pandemic, and try to speak a little half English, half because this is a global show.
Oh, all right. Mm-hmm. Okay. So karita natin, karit meaning mag-splice siya or mag-slice dun sa puso ng niyog para makakuha kami ng tuba. And ayun, dumami yung kanila na-harvest dun sa farm kasi tulong din sa kanila dahil kailangan ng income.
Yeah.
Farmer. So ayun, naka isang drum, naka dalawang drum, naka tatlong drum until we started cooking with it and experimenting. Pwede na ba yan na pang adobo. So of course, maraming hurdles along the way. Syempre, we have to determine the correct acidity, the correct yung scent ba, yung aroma ng aming mga vinegar, until nung we were getting some ground, naluluto na namin. Masarap naman yung kinakalabasan based on our taste buds.
How many years ago was this?
2020 to 2021.
So 6 years in the making.
2020. Yeah.
Ongoing, Okay.
Yeah, and kung nag-backtrack tayo. So that's it until we decided, I think our capabilities, sa skill set ng ating management and yung sa technology na meron tayo, I think we are capable of producing quality vinegar made of coconut sap.
Before Anton asks you a question, I just want to know. So you have the coconut tree, you have the coconut fruit, may income doon. So additional income to when pag kinakaret. That's good, Yeah. Akala ko kasi pag either or lang So now this is good to know.
Kumbaga mas nababawasan lang yung mga niyog kasi yung puso mismo yung ginaganon yung hinahati, nabawasan. So whichever blossoms o yung mga buko na naiiwan left being from that puso ng niyog, that's the one that's being left to become a buko or a coconut.
Okay. All right. Okay. Anton.
No, let's go to the photos. We'll have a background first of the products that Gerard is doing, and then actually this first time I've seen the product, so we'll do a taste test down the street. Okay, pero maybe you could explain muna ano yung mga products mo.
Okay, right now for our coconut business, ito ho lang yung coco jam into tong coconut vinegar from coconut sap, hindi ho siya coconut water. Good thing one of my aunts also is in line with the PCA. She forwarded to me the essential nutrients of the coconut sap versus yung ibang substrate sa apple cider. And mineral per mineral, mas angat yung nutrient content ng ng coconut such as magnesium, calcium, phosphorus na kailangan natin sa katawan natin. And I think besides being a good adobo, ano ba to? Essential adobo ingredient, in small amounts, meron din nutritional value ang coconut vinegar. So, kumbaga, di na masarap, meron ka ding nadadagdag na nutritional value sa katawan natin.
Yeah,
Yeah. And
it's very healthy.
Yep.
Okay.
That's a product sa Sir Anton.
Ito yung mga spiced sukang tuba, spice...
Yep.
Tsaka sukang tuba. So, bali dalawa lang, no?
Pero,
Dalawa.
Anton and Gerard, I read here, I'm seeing here, it says organic. So my question is, how can you tell organic from simply natural? Pag natural ba, organic? Or dapat may grading ba yan or what?
All natural na kasulat.
Oo.
Yeah. Deep
Pero
in our,
naman nilagay organic harvested from
Yeah.
sustainable.
our farming ways, wala ho kaming, we don't add any chemical fertilizers dun sa aming farm, ano? That's why we say it's organic. And but soon we would go through the certification as well para ho talagang whoever asked us, we would be able to present papers that certify ito yung levels of elements within the farm and dun sa tree itself. So that would be legally saying organic ho yung yung aming produkto.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, next. Anong kwento nitong photo na to?
Yeah,
What's that?
is a kumbaga restaurant bar in Buena Vista town sa Marinduque, no? And sila parang kumbaga patok na lugar do sa Buena Vista where kumbaga couples date, young ones also kakain sila ng whichever yung mga specialty sila, and upon yung may-ari upon tasting the vinegar, sabi niya, "Sir, talagang tunay nga po ito. We would use this in our kitchen and for merchandising purposes." Kasi if you look on the right side, there sila mga cookies ata dyan, mga brownies. So they would put it there sa kanilang display. Much like
Nice.
Alex III, they have their own merchandise on the side. So ayun, nila, na-convince namin yung may-ari.
Okay, very good.
Okay, very good. Oh, saan napunta to? Saan naman
Nice.
to?
So this is during our last trip sa Japan. So as part of our parang marketing marketing ploy that our vinegar it's not yet there. We just brought it there sa Japan. Para lang to know people na it's possible and the Japanese could also enjoy the vinegar. So siyempre maganda yung site. It's Nagoya Castle. I asked my wife to iangat niya, then I'll photo it in background of castle para lang to excite the people, yung mga followers namin o yung mga relatives, mga parokyano na suka, and the sites are photo op.
Malay mo, gamitin nila yan sa sushi rice, di ba?
Well, pwede para may asim.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
Yan, so it's also in Nagoya. Photo op lang, then of course para lang we manifest now soon, once we get the correct papers, correct customers, our product could reach Japan. So
Yes.
That's very positive.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, ito
Then,
naman, ang init.
This one, perfect sa beach, kasi syempre of course as Filipinos mahilig tayo mag-picnic. Then of course pag nag-picnic, may lechon, may baka, may adobo sa kanin. So ay ko lang para another marketing ploy for to excite our customers na pwede ho dalhin sa beach itong aming suka, tawtawan, cooking ingredient. Ayan, so may cousin Alvin Reyes Lim. So sabi ko ang Kalbo Brigade.
Aray.
Nasa lista rin siya Then I have this kumbaga part of 4G Reyes na rin. Kasi surprisingly, Alvin is part of the another business of the Lapus family. Yung they have the compostable food packaging. So
Nice.
so hindi ho siya sa environment, hindi ho siya plastic. Pero na madaling matunaw sa sa pag nabaon sa lupa. I'm not the best person to explain, but ganun ho yung kanilang advocacy, and nakasama namin si Alvin that this is the International Ecotourism Travel Mart organized by former Secretary Gabor. So nagulat kami, we're in the same we're in the same
That's
fair.
good.
Yeah, same nasa negosyo kami ng pagkain as well. So it's good to to post also.
Okay.
Okay.
Oy, kilala ko yan. Si Madam Glenda Barreto.
Yeah, si Madam. This is also in the International Travel Tourism Fair. So dumaan ho siya sa booth namin, and sabi ni Miss Glenda, masarap ba yung suka mo? Ay sige po ma'am, tikman niyo po para kayo na po mag-judge. Tapos nung tinikman niya, binigyan namin siya ng isang kutsarita. Tapos tinikman niya muna yung original, yung walang spice. Uy, okay to ah. Then pinatikim din namin yung spiced version. And she was delighted, and she told us to approach them one of these days, and or baka makapasok sa kanila. And I think Villa Mare naman is one of the longest surviving
Pasado
Yeah.
Mhm.
And
Food,
one thing nice with Glenda, she really wants to support all these small businesses from the provinces.
Mhm.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, dami na.
Ang daming manonood sa iyo.
So this is held sa house ni na Uncle Bart, Lapus family. So this is just a fraction of the whole Mamasita family, And nakakatuwa kasi Joyce organized this in order for the children to mingle and maglaro, kasi after pandemic to, kumbaga di nagkikita-kita. Nagluto-luto. I think Joyce placed some cakes and icing para makain, magawa sila, makapag-assemble ng cake, makapagawa ng icing, mga ganun ba. Then of course, yung matatanda, kain naman kung ano yung nahanda nila, naubos din ho namin.
But Anton, the point why I chose this photo is to show na in every successful business, you really need support. Of course, from the family, from the clan, as much as possible. So importante talaga yung ganyang gathering na very positive ang support ng family, ng clan.
Pero ang tindi naman ng mga Reyes clan, kaya naman talagang matindi. Ang dami.
Hindi, matakaw pa.
Matakaw.
Yan.
Ayan, adobo.
So,
Hello, Saki.
yeah. Ito yung ginawa ko this is the one I made yesterday. It doesn't look very enticing, medyo sabog-sabog yung baboy and so on. Pero yeah, pero once you get a bite, I think I sent Sir Anton the video. Nako, ito yung adobo Marinduque, basically, na pinirito pa sa sariling mantika. Sobrang hindi healthy pero napakasarap.
Mabawang.
So ano to, mabawang, tas confit yung pig, ganon. Fried.
Yep.
Yeah. Ano ba what's the characteristic of Marinduque cuisine? What's the DNA of
ano ba?
For Marinduque cuisine, kung ano yung karaniwan is yung produce dun sa amin. So coconut, coconut karaniwang ginagamit. For this one, gamit namin sukan tuba. Ginamit ko sukan tuba, yung product namin. And yung isang bayan doon sa Marinduque, the name of the bayan is Mogpog. They're used to making adobong manok sa gata with that.
Okay. And And ano yun, tuyo din? Tinutuyo ba nila or masarsa? Kasi alam ko as you become more cityfied, mas nagiging sarsa yung adobo.
Ano siya, mix siya na konti lang yung yung sarsa. More of the meat at saka yung mga papaya na ginagamit nila with yung sides nung nung adobo. I also sent a video para kay Sir Anton kung sakaling ma-feature niya, makita niya yung adobo sa gata ng Marinduque na nakalagay sa malaking kawa.
Yeah, I saw that. We did
Yes,
include
yes,
that. No. Pero let me ask you, Anton, can I ask Marinduque? Okay. So, what are the top 5 resources
Ah,
in the
go,
country,
go, go.
in the Philippines? Gerard.
Yeah. It actually depends on the region. No? Pag medyo norte, it's cane vinegar or mga basi type. So,
Okay.
sa Bulacan, yung sukang sasa or mga nipa, sukang nipa.
Uh-huh.
And then, so of course, Southern Tagalog, Bicol region, talagang sukang tuba ang ginagamit or coconut water vinegar. By the way, magkaiba ng nutritional value yung coconut water and coconut sap vinegar. Mas healthy yung coconut sap. Then of course, if you go Western Visayas, Central Visayas, maraming tubo doon, cane vinegar din, and meron ding coconut sa Cebu. Then Waray, ganoon din, tuba or coconut vinegar. Then if you go naman Mindanao, karaniwan, it's a coconut country, Mindanao, especially Davao, talaga, coconut vinegar. Then sometimes yung mga ibang, I think Tagaytay may mga surplus silang mga pinya. They create they process it into pineapple vinegar.
Wala bang gumawa ng banana vinegar? Wala pa?
There is. I've known one entrepreneur, very resourceful, laking Marinduque daw din siya.
Uh-huh.
What he does is yung nearly close to rotten banana from Divisoria. He buys those, yung malapit na mapanis.
Yung fermented.
Yeah. Tapos ayun, meron siyang processing facility sa Cainta. That's where he does his fermentation. Doon may fermentation drums. Tapos ayun, he uses recycled bottle. I think Tanduay. Tapos ang brand niya is Wara-Wara. I haven't tasted it, pero I think mukhang masarap din.
Okay.
Alright.
Next. Ito.
Grabe.
Ayun. This is yung food from Buwak Hotel. So shout out to my tita Mita. Siya yung nagma-manage ng Rehanos Bakery. Meron siyang hotel and cafe Marinduque. So if you look dito sa bandang baba, yung dark, ang tawag dyan ay Marinduque Kare-Kare.
Alin dyan? Yung itim?
Yung maitim. So, ito ay parang dinuguan na tuyo.
Uh-huh.
Pero siya yung maasim-asim siya, pero may bloods too.
Yes.
Wow. Saan yan? Saan titikman yan?
Marinduque.
Marinduque, Buwak Hotel.
Kailangan tayo pumunta dyan, Nancy.
Akin na yung ticket.
we will host you. Then yung Marinduque Kare, magkaroon ng parang competition between hotels and restaurants doon. Tita Mita yung nanalo na parang yung version niya because of course malasa, masarap, ganyan. Kinaya nung iba. So masarap talaga, tita.
Okay.
Alright.
Ayan! Kaibigan ko yan.
Of course, this was held, yung photo taken was during my parents' birthday. Sabay ho sila ng birthday, November 23. Of course, someone gave lechon. And what else to promote my vinegar but to post it beside a lechon. Kung anong brand yan, I forgot. Pero ayun, sinubukan namin. Masarap din ho. Masarap na siyang kasabay.
Panlaban sa taba nung lechon eh. Ang suka.
Yes.
Pantunaw.
Pwede bang mag-confess? Alam niyo ba ako kaya ko uminom ng suka?
Ako rin.
Anton, susubukan mo yan mamaya.
Oh, sige. Oh, try na nga natin yung vinegar natin kasi kanina pa tayo nag-uusap eh. So anong unang titikman natin?
We're
Itong
trying
hindi spicy.
the all natural, organic, sukan tuba ng Rehanos.
Okay.
Labang lechon dyan. Labang lechon dyan.
So anong taste profile nito? Oh, dapat may padalang lechon pala, no?
Oo nga eh. Okay. Sa akin may sharpness. May sharpness. Hindi rounded like rice vinegar, pero may sharpness. So this can be really good for cooking.
Yung amoy niya
Mm-mm. Pleasant
Okay
to
naman.
the pleasant to the ano eh to the nose.
asim. Asim.
Maasim?
Pero masarap tong lagyan ng mga, di ba, ng mga garlic.
Yeah. Gerard, ano ba talaga? What's the taste? What's the ideal taste of natural vinegar?
Oo, ano bang taste dapat nito?
Ang sa amin, kung ano yung what's I have been used to with our vinegar is it always has that coconut aftertaste.
Oh, yes, may coconut. Ano ba? Would you say strong yung acidity niya?
We complied with what is mandated by DTI between 4% tetrable acidity to 4.5 tetrable acidity. So yun yung pina-follow namin na metric na talagang bawat product lumalabas sa aming planta or facility, we make sure na it goes to that level para uniform siya.
Uniform yung acidity niya.
Yung
Yes.
aking note dito sa natural, parang may konting floral.
Nice. Nice.
Siguro kasi nga
Saka medyo pleasant rin yung smell niya, no? Hindi naman siya...
And dun sa tanong na yung natural vinegar, whichever substrate it is, kung balsamic man yan or pineapple vinegar, parating may fruity aftertaste and fruity aroma. So yun yung, I think, angat nung natural vinegars, whichever it is, coconut man yan, pineapple, banana, and so on, versus the commercially available vinegars sa merkado. So, what I notice is those na nabibili sa groceries, asim lang siya. Liquid na maasim. That's it. Asim lang. But yung iba, or yung mga fruity talaga na na substrate, talaga merong fruity na aftertaste and yung amoy, yung aroma niya. So, syempre, if you buy something sa sa market, you want something to satisfy the senses. That's why we cook, no? Kumbaga talagang maamoy mo sa sa kusina yung bango ng iyong niluluto.
Anton, pagka-taste mo, you drink water, dun that's the aftertaste of that is really what's pleasant.
Okay. Itong spicy naman, anong kasama ng spicy? Are the spices from Marinduque also?
We have our own produce. We only buy if naubos na yung aming spices like yung ginger, bawang, sibuyas, sile. We have our own sile na planted sa farm. Naka-intercrop po siya sa sa puno ng niyog. So in between para ma-maximize yung space.
Yeah.
Yep. So dito yung sa amin, yung flavor profile or taste profile na I could say to the public is yung kumbaga flavorful na spicy flavorful, no? Hindi balansyado yung kanyang anghang, balansyado yung kanyang richness ng sibuyas at bawang na nalalasahan. So go ahead Anton and
ang sarap. May tamis ng konti, no?
Yes. To address the Filipino love for sweetness ng pagkain. Diba?
Sarap sa chicharon to, no?
Sa fiestas, there's sweet menudo. Caldereta.
Saka pwede mo siyang papakin.
Cooking.
So ito for cooking, the vinegars are for cooking ba? Or for
Ang sausawan niya.
condiment?
Yung maliit is yung sa sausawan, yung spiced. You can use it in adobo pero medyo very indulgent na masyado.
Oo, hindi
Yeah,
na.
other than, this is what I'll use for
So ito yung pang adobo.
King.
Okay.
Alright.
Wow, sarap. Ito, favorite. Ito masarap ako. Favorite.
Yeah. Uy, kakain si Mami.
Kinikilig
Kakain
kami.
ng chicharon.
Hindi, dapat pala, Nancy, pag may mga guest tayo, dapat pag sauces, kailangan may chicharon, di ba?
Correct.
May pairing.
Ako gusto
Dapat
ko yung
marinduque rin, di ba?
lechon. Bakit
Oh,
chicharon?
lechon. Oo nga, lechon. Bakit yan?
Sir Anton, ask ko lang ho, nakapunta na kayo na Marinduque?
Matagal na.
Ah, Nice. Visit kayo again soon.
Oy,
Ako ba?
appear.
Para kung makaano kayo ng time, invite ko kayo.
How many hours is it from Manila?
Bale, depends
Magbo-boat.
on believe, ano? So, usually, kunyari, Manila-Lucena, mga 3.5 hours kasama na yung traffic. Then, once you land to Lucena for the Roro, 3 hours din yung biyahe ng Roro to Marinduque. Then, yung facility namin is just 5 minutes from the port. So, in terms of logistics, very accessible siya yung amin.
Okay.
Okay. Finally, try natin tong meron ka? Wala kang ganito. Wala
Wale.
kang ganito.
Di
Wala
ba?
kang-
Next
Coco
time.
jam. Nako, kailangan pala may pandesal to eh.
Yeah. Actually, I was just telling Gerard, hindi lang sa pandesal, Anton. I think,
Eh, saan?
try mo Gerard, promise you'll try. Get some coco jam and yung vinegar mo and itry mo iluto with manok.
Manok. Okay.
So, manamis-namis na adobo na may lasa ng coco. So, coco adobo! Adobo!
Ang sarap nga. Para siyang dulce de leche na coco jam.
Wow!
Thank you.
Congrats.
Very good.
So ito, they're available. Where are they available?
Right now, we're not yet on the shelves sa groceries, and we are still, of course, our FDA papers has just been released a few months ago, around itong June lang. So, sa Shopee, it's available in Shopee and Lazada.
Okay. Pero
Doon
may
pa lang.
ano ako dyan. Kasi when we will be seeing, Anton, baka nakalimutan mo kailangan ng pandesal.
Oo
Hello?
nga. Hindi, masarap.
Isa pa nga yung sinasabi kong secret dyan sa Coco Jam. When you have biko, you just put, after nakagawa ka na ng biko, you just put maybe 1/4 inch of thick na Coco Jam. And then i-bake mo ng konti sa broil. Mga 3 minutes, kaya huwag masusunog. Pabayaan mo siyang kumulos, alisin mo agad. Ayun. Kung kung gusto mong mapasok, kainin mo na agad.
Sarap, no? Sarap. Kaka-excite.
No, I was gonna say, since wala ka pa sa shelves, I've noticed in the videos that you showed na you joined a lot of food fairs. Now, I want to ask this for the sake of those who want to start a business also. Na is this part of a success agenda na this is how you should go about
Yes, kasi right now it's hard to go one-to-one to your customers. It's time-consuming and talagang effort. So right now, yung food fairs or trade fairs na sinasalihan namin, we are being assisted or helped by DTI Marinduque or DTI in general because they want small businesses to succeed. No?
Good.
Every food fair, I think there are 6 MSMEs from Marinduque that promotes their products from peanut butter, as coconut, the arrowroot cookies, Kuya Baki, what else? Yung isa namin kasama rin sa businesses is coconut bagoong naman siya.
Wow.
coconut sapal.
Oo.
Pinag-anuhan ng nyog. Tapos ano ho siya, yung bagong flavor. So masarap.
Wow. Itatapon na lang, ginawa pang bagoong.
Yes, ginawa pa negosyo. So shout out to him. Masarap po yung kanyang produkto. Then meron ding mga handicrafts from Marinduque, made from coconut shells, or kung anong yung mga Morion na ballpen, yung mga ganun type,
Ay, okay Okay.
or mga ganun. Tapos ano pa ba, and yung mga ganun, yung mga na-harvest sa farms around Marinduque na ginagawang negosyo, yun yung karaniwang inatulungan ng DTI to help the sales and promotion of our MSMEs.
That's what I like, Anton, kasi like before, as we said, dito sa Adobo Connection, we just don't connect the provinces that are supposedly well-known na sila lang yung magaling na masarap magluto, like Pampanga, Bulacan. But we're connecting, we're going forward pa, di ba? Na marami pang i-discover, Marinduque, Masbate, Samar, mga ganung places.
And we also have kumbaga cacao. There's one island harvest. Masarap yung kanilang yung chocolate sila, similar sa mga Auro or Malagos na type na na chocolate na locally grown sa mga bundok, naka-intercrop sa coconut. So we have medyo well-rounded yung aming produce.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. Let's look at some of the videos, no, ng mga nagte-taste test, yung mga other videos of the product. So ito yung first.
Go.
Manunood lahat yan!
Saan yan? Saan yun?
Saan yan?
Di
Nakita
ko
mo?
Yung grupo, yung nasa
group
gate
chat.
ba sila or what? Nakita mo?
Go.
Kasi sa iPhone yata hindi mo makita, no?
iPhone, hindi
Nakikita
ko.
mo ba? Hindi mo nakikita. Anyway.
Hi miss, patayin ho namin ang spice sukan tuba. Nanihila kami ng feedback.
Crunchy siya, and sakto lang yung pagka-asim at anghang. So, very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yun, balanced flavors. Okay. Japanese.
Ay, hindi nagbago yung itsura niya.
辛いな。辛い。
Maanghang lang.
危ない
Spice sopa.
けど美味しい。
美味しい。美味しい。Masarap daw.
Arigato gozaimasu. Takamon.
May uminom ng whiskey.
Oo.
Okay. Yun, yung okay.
Picture lang daw, video.
Video po.
Ano yung yung taste.
Hey, Daddy, look. Okay.
Sarap. Ayan, naparami ng kain. Sarap. Thumbs up like this. Isa pa. Hindi natitigilan ito. Tapos na.
Ano sa panlasa?
Good.
Thank you very much, ma'am, sir.
Thank you.
Meron pala talagang chicharon yan nakasama Nancy,
Sir, chicharon on me.
Oo, sino yung lady with the white guy? That's the one.
Random customer siya sa Villa Negro.
Mm.
So, yung Villa Negro sa Italian restaurant na by the cliff, para ka nasa Greece. So, sabi namin, being friends, ma'am, try niyo po yung namin, mahila kami ng feedback. Tapos yung asawa po niya is, I think, Swiss. Walang kamali. Tapos nakita niyo naman yung kanyang mata, nakita niyo yung kanyang bibig, nasarapan. So, ayun, I think that paints it.
Okay.
Next.
Hi, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Can you taste our vinegar?
はい、今からココナッツビネガーを食べたいと思います。
Aha.
すごい酸っぱい匂いする。いただきまー
Uh-huh. You can taste and give us feedback if it tastes good or not or what.
す。ヤミー、ちょっと、my little spicy.
Yes.
でも、
Say something in Japanese.
ベリベリ。少しちょっと辛みはあるけど酸味がとっても美味しいです。めちゃくちゃスパイシーで美味しいです。
Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato.
Oh, pasado pa rin.
Japanese na girl na sabi niya, yummy! That's nice. Saan yun? Doon din sa Marinduque rin?
Sa trade fair nitong Holy Week in Marinduque.
Okay.
Morion,
Next.
2, 3.
Hi, I'm Kat from Australia, and I've just tried their suka, and it's very delicious, well balanced, nice and sweet. So, would recommend you to try.
Okay. Can you try again? How was it? How's the flavor? I mean, what spice do you taste in your mouth?
You can taste a bit of. Is there a bit of ginger? In there?
Ginger, yes.
Yeah. Garlic?
Yes, there
Yeah.
is.
Chili?
Yes, there is.
Is there onion?
Yes.
This? Yeah.
So it's rich in flavor.
Yeah. Very delicious.
That's what we really aim at.
And it's fruity as well. Not too strong, like not too acidic. It doesn't burn the back of your mouth. So,
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Ang galing ni ate ah.
Pero maganda ng mga pinipili mo
Oo
Total.
nga. Nakakapansin kami ah.
Of course, meron ding sir, meron ding mga lolo, mga tito.
Okay, last two videos. Cooking video.
Yeah.
Ninja.
2, 3. Ayan, mabango na siya. Medyo wala na yung amoy ng amoy ng palengke, ng baboy. Of course, basta natin ang suka. Okay. Matalas. Selyado. So, kayo bahala kung gaano karaming suka ang ninyo. So, around 1/3 cup, pwede na. Tapos, pwede natin lagyan ng tubig para yung mapakulo natin, yung lambot. Importante sa adobo yung lambot ng baboy. So, antayin ulit natin around 45 minutes, 1 hour, until siya, lambot. At manuot yung suka sa pork. See you! Hello ulit everyone. So babalik ako Ngayon we'll take it up a notch. Ipiprito ko pa siya sa sarili niyang mantika para alam niyo yun, yung talagang mamaya malutong-lutong. So kinakaskas ko yung mga karneng dumidikit. Yun yung masarap. Yun yung masarap ilagay sa sandwich, sa kanin. Nako, mortal sin in terms of healthy reasons, pero it's good. Basta so yan, inaano ko lang siya. Siguro mamaya nag-brown na. Pag medyo crispy na yung balat ng baboy, ayun, kuna natin ang picture. Ayun goodness, my goodness.
Yan yung yung nagluto ka na. Sabi mo mortal sin
Mortal sin for health, health, yung mga health, yung mga nag-maintain yung kanilang healthy figure. Pero, of course, we're one clan who likes to eat indulgently. Minsan-minsan lang naman, di naman araw-araw. So, of course, bukas.
Okay na kung araw-araw. Yeah, okay.
Alright. Maraming salamat. Wow. Dami ko natutunan ngayon. And maybe, if we have mga bazaars here, iimbitahin namin kayo. Particularly the Marinduque products. Hindi kasi kilala and masarap Masarap siya.
Yeah.
And we will help you promote it. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
to the people of Marinduque, maraming salamat na andito we see you now with Gerard, isa yung anak ng Marinduque. And pretty soon magiging bisita ng Marinduque si Anton. And that's good na actually I have to confess, I didn't know kung ano yung resources ng Marinduque. Alam ko lang Moriones. At saka maraming cowboy. Ano ba yun? Cowboy ba yun o sa Masbate ba yun?
Sa Masbate yon, pero more of yung Holy Week, during Holy Week.
Holy Week, Moriones.
Aha.
Tsaka dati may island resort yan. Wala na.
Wala na ho yung basta yun, nakalimutan ko yung
nakalimutan natin. All right, Gerard, any other final message or invite everybody to support your product?
Yeah. Una-una, before I invite, I'd like to thank everyone, Nancy, Anton, of course, my wife was always supporting me, my parents, Bert and Ida Rejano, who's fans, business, and the Reyes clan was also supporting. Pag may trade fair, parati silang nandun, pabili-bili ng ilang bote. It warms our hearts, thank my kids. Then, of course, thank you to DTI Marinduque, UST Marinduque, who's helping us promote our product. Then DOST for also assisting us. So yung product namin, Sir Anton, is kumbaga may sinigundahan ng DOST kasi talagang we want it talaga science-based. Hindi yung basta tikim-tikim lang. Pwede na. So making food is a science. So talagang we validate the acidity, yung fermentation, all those stuff. Shout out to Sir Bernie Karingal and PD Roniel. Then of course, lastly, promote ko yung aming product. Meron ko kami sa Shopee, Rejanos All Natural. Feature there our vinegar, our cooking vinegar and yung sasawan with vinegar. And meron din po kami sa Enstock if you have the app. And yung sa Facebook page namin, i-click nyo lang din po doon. Pwede na kayo umorder. Then of course, it's available around Marinduque. Then soon ho, manliligaw kami sa mga ibang mga terminals para makilala. And certain pasalubong shops na namin. Then hopefully soon, I think there's one guy who approached us in duty free in buyer siya ng duty free, and he likes, upon looking the product, sabi niya, gusto ko to gusto ko yan mag-present ka sa amin. So hopefully soon, with the help of our own efforts, of course the Lord, magustuhan soon. And yeah, that's it.
All right. Thank you, Nancy.
What I noticed with this guy is may passion.
Yes.
So, halata mo naman Yeah. Mabuti lang, hindi ka pa tumataba. Baka mamaya, sa dami ng niluto mo. We see the passion you have, the energy. So, I hope you don't lose that. Kapag billionaire ka na, you're still the same guy. Okay?
Thank you.
Oo, dapat. Diba?
Yeah.
Alright, maraming salamat. Thank you so much for everybody watching on the live stream and watching on the replay. Maraming salamat. Live an awesome life, guys. God bless.
Bless you.